Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Mixy Music Mashup app. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need to go to the App Store and go to the search in the bottom right corner and search for Mixy. So simply type on Mixy. And here are the results. You need to click on the first application here, and that's basically Mixy Mashup app. Now click on the Get button next to the icon of the application, and then use your Touch ID or Face ID to confirm the installation. Just double click to install, and Face ID is done, and as you can see now the download is started, and when the download will be finished the installation will be complete and you can use your Mixy Music Mashup application on your device. And basically that is it. That is how you can download and install Mixy Music Mashup app. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.